Imagine this. What if you had over 60 AI humans working for you non-stop day and night? They could close sales, talk to customers, give coaching, handle support, and even copy your face and voice. And the best part, you don't have to pay monthly fees. Today, I'm going to review Human AI Force. It's the world's first AI app that comes with pre-trained human-like agents. In this video, I will explain what it does, its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, whether it's really worth your money or not. So now let's talk about what exactly is Human AI Force. It's basically the world's first AI app that comes with more than 60 ready-made human-like AI agents. Think of these agents as digital workers that can talk, answer questions, and even sell for you. The cool part is they are not limited to just chat. They can work as video agents, audio agents, or chat agents. So whether someone visits your website, watches a video, or just wants to chat, your AI agent can handle it. And here is where it gets even crazier. You can actually clone yourself. That means the AI can use your face, your voice, your knowledge, and even the emotions to talk to people. Almost like a digital version of you that works 24 into 7. Now let's talk about what makes Human AI Force special. First of all, it's super easy to use. You don't need coding skills. You don't need to be a tech expert. Literally anyone can set it up in just a few minutes. The second big thing, it's a one-time payment. Most AI tools charge you every month, but here you just pay once and that's it. No monthly fees, no hidden cost. Next, you can actually sell these AI agents to clients. Imagine building an AI agent for a business and charging them $1,000 or more. That's an extra income opportunity built right in. It also comes with voice cloning and supports any language. So your AI can sound like you and even talk to people in their own language, which means you can reach customers worldwide. You can also embed these agents anywhere on your website, your sales funnel, your blog, even online stores. Wherever your customers are, your AI can be there too. Plus, you get over 60 ready to use AI agents for different niches like marketing, sales, coaching, real estate, e commerce, and more. That saves a lot of time because you don't have to start from scratch. Another powerful feature is lead collection tools. Things like forms, surveys, and pop ups. So, not only can your AI talk to people, but it can also capture their details and build your customer list automatically. And finally, these AI agents work 24 into 7. That means they're always available, always engaging with your customers, building trust, increasing loyalty, and helping you close more sales even while you sleep. Alright, let's talk about the pricing because this is where Human AI Force really stands out. Right now, you can grab it for just $14.97 as a one-time payment. That means you pay once and you own it forever. No monthly fees. And here is a little bonus. If you use this coupon code, you get an extra $2 off, which makes the deal even sweeter. Now, if you compare this with other AI tools out there, you will see the difference. For example, ChatGPT charges $20 every month, Jasper AI around $49 to $125 a month, HeyGen is $24 a month, and tools like Midjourney or Synthesia also have monthly plans. So while others keep charging you month after month, Human AI Force gives you everything for a small one-time price. That's a huge cost saving, especially if you plan to use it long term. Now, apart from the main software, Human AI Force also comes with some optional upgrades, also called OTOs or one-time offers. These are not required, but they give you extra power if you need them. Let me quickly explain them. First, the front end. This is the main product. With it, you can create your own AI human agent, clone your face, voice, and knowledge, and even use it for video calls, audio calls, or chat. You also get some ready to use templates, and it supports 5 languages like English, Hindi, Spanish, French, and German. Next, Audio One Unlimited, $57. This unlocks unlimited everything, unlimited agents, unlimited websites, unlimited clients, unlimited conversations, basically no restrictions. It also gives you access to 50 plus languages and advanced customization. If you plan to use these for clients, this upgrade is very useful. Then Audio 2, done for you, $97 to $147. If you don't want to set things up yourself, this option gives you a ready-made package to start selling AI services right away. Then Audio 3, traffic, $47 to $67. This one is all about getting leads and traffic. It comes with forms, surveys, autoresponder integrations, webinar signups, and other marketing tools to help you drive people to your AI agents. Next, Audio 4 Agency License, $97 to $147. With this, you can actually run a full agency. You can serve 100 or even unlimited clients, add team members, and keep 100% of the profit. Audio 5 Reseller License, $67 to $97. This lets you resell human AI Force itself as your own product and keep all the profit without creating any software. Next, we have Audio 6 Mega Suite, $127. This is the big one. It bundles a ton of extras like AI tools for making kids' books, interactive courses, video editors, 80,000 plus ebooks, marketing courses, templates, prompts, and much more. It's like an all in one digital business package. So, in short, the front end is enough to get started, but if you are serious about running an agency or scaling up, the unlimited and agency options are the most valuable upgrades. Alright, let's quickly look at the pros and cons so you know the good and the not so good before making a decision. Talking about pros, first, it's a one time payment. You pay once and that's it. No monthly stress like other tools. You get 60 plus pre built AI agents, so you don't have to waste time creating from scratch. It's very easy to use, no coding, no technical headache. You can clone yourself, your face, your voice, even your knowledge, which is pretty unique. It works in any language, so you can reach a global audience. And you can make money with it by selling agents to clients or even running your own AI agency. Talking about cons, there are quite a lot of upsells, OTOs. Some people might find that overwhelming. To get the full unlimited power, you may need to buy at least one or two upgrades. So, overall, the pros clearly outweigh the cons, especially if you are someone who wants to use AI for business and income. So, here is my final verdict. If you want to start your own AI powered agency or just need AI agents that can sell, coach, support, and engage customers for you 24 into 7, then Human AI Force is the really smart choice. The biggest advantage is the one time price. While other tools keep charging you every single month, here you just pay once and you own it forever. For the value it gives, that's honestly a steal. So, if this sounds useful for you, I have added the discounted link in the description below. Make sure to grab it before the price goes up.